Within a project, you can use the station and offset view to view selected objects from the plan view relative to the horizontal alignment. So the simplest way to do this is to select your alignment and create the view by right-clicking and choosing station offset view. This is going to create another view, and what you can do here is add or remove objects from this view. So right here you can see the horizontal alignment. What I can do is come in and pick the objects that I want to view. So let's say that I wanted to view this ditch line. I can select those objects and pick add, and it'll show me where those objects are along this alignment. So what you're viewing here is a straight line again, or of this objects in relationship to the alignment. So this is my 0, this is my offset to my left and my right, this is my stationing along that alignment. So you can see at station 6, that's what I'm seeing in the plan view. So if I wanted to as well, I could add in, let's say this circle here, or this manhole. I want to see where that falls. I could add that as well, and you can see that that's going to fall at this location. So again, it creates a view where you can straighten your alignment and create a station offset view.